Gross. Caustic slime, like at the Halpern pool. Huh. It washes away. Stabbed. And that's how Michael rolls. He went this way. Which way now? More footprints. Maybe he didn't like the color last time. You doing an impression of me, Michael? He's got to be doing this on purpose, right? Right? Locked. Maybe he knew something was chasing it. What is this, a sitcom? He must have taken this elevator. Come on, let's go! Now it comes. A fake elevator? Way to go, Ames. Worse. Zombies or giant spiders.
Michael!
God! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Me, I came to get... We're in trouble. Look out!
Get out of here! I can handle... Ed?
Whatever that is, we need to kill it!
Whatever you say, Coach. Fire beats everything. What's worse? Zombies or giant spiders? The good... Michael!
God! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Me, I came to get... We're in trouble. Look out!
Get out of here! I can handle... Ed?
Whatever that is, we need to kill it!
Whatever you say, Coach. weather. More puke than a frat party. You okay?
I'm fine, just a bit hot.
Wait, we went through all this for Romero?
Emma's Romero, but of course not. Look, medical supplies.
Is someone sick?
No, well, not yet. It's not like insurance is worth anything these days. We'll need these to, keep us safe. I am helping.
Yeah, can't hurt. Way to go, Michael. Emma means a lot to you.
Just give me more than I can ever repay. I can't be what she needs. I can't protect her.
She needs a friend's advice. We can get out of LA, but it all depends on her.
She could do anything.
So get her revved up again, and let's go.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, you there? It's Sam B.
Hey, Sam, what's new?
Heard you was in the hills. Me too. Got a line on some guns.
Exactly what we need.
No doubt. Come meet me.
Come on, let's head back. Can't have you getting bitten.
Well, you don't need to worry about that, okay? I'll be fine. Just go get those guns.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Talk to Emma, yeah? Gotta be a back way out. Roll the credits. Yeah, I'm at it.
Anyone there? Hello?
A radio. Hi, Zombie Pest Control. Amy speaking. How may I help you today?
Okay, it's clear you're alive. I have a friend who needs help. Any chance you could get to the Halpern Hotel, like, soon?
Ugh, that place gets 0 stars from me. Who's asking?
Hold up. I'm Hannah. I'm hunkered down with my BCLA buddies in the rental we share in the Venice canals, but I've lost contact with one of them. Rav. He's a med student.
If he's not responding, it's probably not good news.
You haven't seen the Bobcats in action. He's a survivor, and he's been making unique weapons. He'll make it worth your while.
I do like weapons. Fine, I got some time to kill. I'll swing by the Halpern again.
DD09. DD09? DD09! DD09, your faithful little friend.
Sam, it's Amy. Where am I meeting you?
Me and Ronnie are headed to 12 iCUE Ridge. Meet you there.